Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the Nitrofx Forex Trading System. Alright, so the Nitrofx Forex Trading System is a multi-indicator strategy designed to provide a structured way of identifying trend direction and trade opportunities. Alright, so this system often combines trend following indicators with momentum and confirmation tools to filter out weak signals. Okay, so for example, let's just do a little combination. Just gonna add this, for example. Okay, but basically the idea is to create alignment between different indicators before considering a trade. Right, traders using the Nitrofx typically wait for multiple confirmations such as trend direction. All right, so if we have a bullish trend, for example, you need to confirm the direction that is bullish, and then you want to trade in the direction of the trend. Then you want to consider your signal triggers, price positioning before entering the market. This helps to reduce false signals and improves consistency. Another important aspect of this system is timing. Okay, instead of entering trades randomly, traders wait for the right conditions where all elements of the system agree. All right, so note that this system um, is a multi-indicator system, right? And this video is not to give a specific indicator to use. All right, these indicators, I'm just using them as examples. Okay, remember that you ought to use a trend following indicator and combine with momentum indicators. All right, so this is not to say that these are the specific indicators to use. Okay, but ensure that you always get alignment, ensure that you always get confluence, ensure that you always get your confirmations right before executing your trade. Okay, you have to wait for the right conditions where all elements of the system agree. There should be a confluence. So in summary, the Nitrofx Forex Trading System is focused on confirmation, structure, and disciplined execution. Okay, very important. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.